Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by choosing the right Nyx Color Correcting Stick for the issue at hand. Green cancels red, peach neutralizes blue under eyes, lavender brightens yellow tones. Once done, make sure your skin is clean and lightly moisturized so the formula blends instead of clinging. Prime oily zones to control slip. Twist the stick just enough to reveal a small tip, then test a dot on your jawline or wrist to confirm color and texture before full application. You now apply with intention. Dot sparingly where correction is needed because the stick is pigmented and a little covers a lot. Then, using your ring fingertip or a small synthetic brush, tap. Don't rub outward to diffuse edges for a seamless finish. Once blended, pause briefly. Waiting 5 to 10 seconds helps the product settle so you can evaluate and, if necessary, add another sheer layer. This avoids cakey buildup and preserves natural skin texture. You finish by setting the corrected areas. Lightly dust translucent powder or press a thin layer of foundation to lock the pigment in place and prevent transfer. If creasing appears, make sure you used minimal product. Press gently with a damp makeup sponge to meld layers and remove excess. And if the tone reads too strong, don't panic. Apply a sheer concealer or foundation over it to rebalance. This final step ensures longevity and a natural look. Tweak sparingly to avoid overworking the skin.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.